Python programming language. Definition and explain Python. Programming language. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and clean syntax, which makes it easy to learn and use. It emphasizes code readability and allows developers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Compare language to other programming languages. Here are some key features and characteristics of Python. Interpretation. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that it does not need to be compiled before execution. The interpreter reads and executes the code line by line, which makes development and testing faster. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming principles, such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. It allows developers to create classes and objects, making it easier to manage and organize code. Dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, which means that variable types are determined at runtime. Developers do not need to explicitly declare variable types, making Python more flexible and reducing the amount of code needed. Cross-platform. Python is available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This allows developers to write code once and run it on different platforms without modification. Large standard library. Python comes with a comprehensive standard library that provides a wide range of modules and functions for various purposes. This library makes it easier to accomplish common tasks without relying on external dependencies. Third-party libraries and packages. Python has a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and packages, such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, and Flask. These libraries extend Python's capabilities and enable developers to work on tasks like data analysis, machine learning, etc. Readability. Python emphasizes code readability through its clean and consistent syntax. It uses indentation whitespace to define code blocks, which enhances readability and enforces a structured coding style. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, scripting, and more. It has gained popularity among developers due to its simplicity, versatility, and the large community support it enjoys. To run Python programs, you need a Python interpreter installed on your computer. There are different versions of Python available, with Python 3.x being the most widely used and recommended version, as of my knowledge cut off in September 2021. However, newer versions may have been released since then. Overall, Python's simplicity, readability, and extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks make it a powerful programming language for both beginner and experienced developers.